these TENS machines have been popping up in my Facebook feed. I used it one time for half an hour and the pain that I couldn't get rid of was gone. Hello there, Pete here from Outdoors Rome. Hope you're going well. Today I thought I'd talk about something a little bit different rather than motorhome and van life stuff, and something that I've recently acquired to help with my back problems. Now, I've got osteoarthritis in my back and my knees and my hip, but for the last 3 or 4 days I've had a ongoing pain in my lumbar region and I just couldn't get rid of it. No matter what I tried, all my usual medication wouldn't get rid of it. Well, these TENS machines have been popping up in my Facebook feed, and happened to be wandering around Aldi like you do, looking for one item, a cucumber or something, and you end up going and buying a trumpet. Well, I didn't buy the trumpet, I bought a TENS machine. You can get your money back pretty easily in Aldi, so it's worth giving it a go. And today I'm going to talk about what I found. Now, I will say I'm not an expert in these machines, but all I can tell you is I used it one time for half an hour and the pain that I couldn't get rid of was gone. So watch on to see how I went. Now, the first thing I will say is that I'm an IT guy and I had to actually read the manual, and it's not something that I'm used to doing, but it was initially seemed quite complicated. So you've got to get through that initial stage, and once you've sort of worked it out, it's pretty straightforward. So what I'll do is I'll just try and quickly show you how I use it, and that it is relatively straightforward to set up, but I've got a good grasp of how it works now. And I used it on my lower back, and as I said, I had that pain for 2 or 3 days, and I've been taking medications, including strong medications, and I used this for half an hour and the pain was gone. So obviously I've opened all this, but what you do get is you get a nice little storage bag to put everything in it, and you get the machine itself. Now, these cables aren't plugged in when you get it, so you've just got the TENS machine, you've got 2 cables, because this is what you call a 2-channel TENS machine. So it sends electrical impulses out by that one and this one, and in the top you've got channel 1 and channel 2. Now, you don't have to use both channels, but what you'll find on the one end plugs into the channel button, channel connector, and on the end of that cable you've got a red and a black. So what you do with those is you connect them to the pads that go onto your skin. Now, in this pack you get a couple of sets of pads. You get the small ones and you get the bigger ones, and you'll see that they've got, each one has a cable, so one would go to the red cable and the other pad would go to the black cable, and then between those two it will send an electrical impulse. Now, I'm not an expert on this, I'm just giving you a layman's overview of how I've worked out how it works. So because you've got 2 channels, you can obviously use 4 pads, a red and a black and a red and a black. And from what I've read as well, there's instructions, there's a very big instruction manual here. There's also a lot of good information about where you put all the pads and stuff. But what I've found is usually you'll have these on your body. So say on my lower back, if you imagine my lower back was in the middle of this, these would be a bit more spread out, but that'd be a red cable and the black cable to channel 1, and that'd be the red cable and the black cable to channel 2. So they're sort of around the pain. You don't put them on the pain, you put around the pain, and that's basically what I did. I put these on my body around the pain, and then I worked out which program to use reading the book. And that was the complicated part, because there's a lot of information in that book, but I'll try and break it down pretty simply for you. So if you've got a bad knee or a bad back, quick start guide. So I've just moved inside now because it was too bright to see this screen outside. So this is what you see when you turn it on. Well, it's not actually what you see when you turn it on, because what I've actually done is I've actually set my favorite program for my back, which is program 12. But but you can basically see the layout. You've got the TENS machine, or the TENS functionality flashing, which is what I used. This has also got a massage and an EMS, which is a muscle simulation option on it as well. Now it's also got a quick start, which you can see by pressing this person icon. It goes through the various quick start options. Now I've actually tried this as well, and this is quite good. Now initially I worked out that program 12 was good for me back based on reading the instructions, but also the quick start is just as good, I'd say. So if you just want to pick this up, plug it in, connect it to yourself, you've got a back problem, you've got a, what have we got there, a knee problem, a foot problem, or a hand problem, you can just press this person button and it'll scroll through the different settings. So what I'll do is I'll pick a setting, because I've not used it on my knee yet, so I'll use it on my knee because they're dodgy as well. I was actually offered a replacement knee on my right knee, but I declined. I said I'd carry on until I couldn't actually walk at all. But we'll give it a crack on my knee and I'll show it in action. So what I did was I went to the relevant part of the manual, which shows you different parts of your body, and there's a number associated to that part of the body. So on here you'll see that there's a number associated to the knee. Now it's the back of the knee, I think. Let me have a look. Yeah, there you go. 25. I did do a quick check online, but 25, that's actually the layout for the front or the back of your knee. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up to use it with my knee. Leah's just walked in, wondering what I'm doing, but I'll carry on. So yeah, so based on number 25 being the knee, you can then go to the TENS section of the manual and it will give you various programs that you can use. So we just go backwards in the manual a few pages. Right, so then once you've found the parts of your body that you want to try and get some relief on, and you've got a number associated to that, in our case 25, you go to the TENS section of the manual, which is where I am here. Now what you'll see is there's various programs, and there are some other stuff you can look into with regards to the settings, but I'm just going to use a basic setting, program 1, and you'll see in the end number 25 is listed, which is my knee, as effective on this program. So that indicates that I'm going to use program 1 on the TENS machine. So let's go ahead and put the probes on and set the TENS machine up and see it in action. So I've now connected all the pads to my knee. I've got positive, positive, negative, negative, but they're actually going across each other, so they're going in that direction. Again, I'm not an expert, so you know, read the manual and do your own research. But I'll now turn the unit on. I've saved program 12 because of my back. Thank you, Leah. I've saved program 12 for me back, but what I'm going to do is I'm now going to change program 12 to program 1, which, as I showed you before, is something we can use. Oh, 30, what are we on there? So now we're on PO1. So we're on program 1, TENS is flashing. Now basically all you need to do then is to start the signal going, is to press these buttons here, and that will start, and you'll see channel 1 has got to 1. I found that between 7 and 14 is what I was using on my back, but I'm going to just go off the feel because I've not used it on my knee before, and I'll let you know when I can feel something. Yeah, I can feel something now. What are we on there? 7. Just a very mild tingle. That feels okay. I'd probably just let that work away on 14 setting. You could go high, you might like it lower. It's all a personal preference, how it feels to you. I'd probably actually go a little bit stronger than that, to be honest with you. Yeah, 16 is okay. And that just then works through the program. Some of the programs are constant, like tingling, and others pulse through different programs. But on this one, I'll just leave it on that setting and we'll let it work through the program. So you can see now that next to 29, there's a little clock flashing that indicates that it's counting down, and after 29 minutes, it'll stop working. And if at any time I want to suddenly stop it, if the dog comes in and starts licking me, for example, you can just press the power button and it'll stop it straight away. So yeah, as I said, I had a constantly sore back on the right hand side for 3-4 days. I put this on my back and after half an hour it was gone. So I'm a believer. If you want to give it a crack on your aches and pains that you may have, hopefully this has given you an intro to how this works, because it was a little bit complicated to me at first, but once you sort of work it out, it's a bit of a kerfuffle to connect the pads up and plug it in, but after that it's pretty straightforward, and I'm happy to do that for the results that I got. So once you finish your session, I just put them back onto this plastic that comes with it. Obviously make sure the machine's turned off, and then I just disconnect each of the cables one by one until you're just left with your piece like that, and then that goes back in the plastic. And apparently, according to the instructions, it keeps it moist, so it'll still stick to you when you want to use it the next time. So that's them away. Then it's just a case of pulling these out of the TENS machine, putting it all away. Bob's your uncle, job done. Hopefully pain reduced. So there you go folks, just something a little bit different on my channel. This is the ALDI Visage TENS EMS massage device. I found it really useful, and if there's anyone out there like me with aches and pains, it's worth a crack. And if it doesn't work for you, you can always take it back to ALDI, because they're really good on the return policy. And I hope that gave you a little bit of an overview of how it works. Please let me know how you go with it. Have you tried one before? And if you've got any questions, fire away. I'll do my best to answer them. And also, please take the time to like and subscribe, as that would be much appreciated. And until next time, take it easy.